A fighter jet breaks the sound barrier when its speed surpasses the local speed of sound, reaching Mach 1. This threshold is not a fixed airspeed, but rather a dynamic value dependent on atmospheric conditions like temperature and altitude. At sea level, Mach 1 is around 761 miles per hour. However, at higher altitudes, where air is colder and less dense, the speed of sound decreases. This means a jet can achieve Mach 1 at a lower true airspeed. The moment a jet exceeds Mach 1, it creates a sudden pressure differential, forming a shockwave. This shockwave propagates to the ground as a sonic boom, a powerful sound generated by the rapid compression and decompression of air. It's the definitive signature of supersonic flight.